Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizy, and for today's video I'm going to show you some products that I got from MODELONES. If you don't know this brand, girl, what are you doing? Go to the website. They have a bunch of stuff for beginners or pros, so no excuses there. But today I got this collection that is really exciting to me because I saw it on Instagram and I fell in love instantly. And this is the lipstick collection. Yay, look at this. It comes like this. Obviously it came in a box with a bubble wrap, like really protected, but I wanted to show you like right out the box so we don't lose time opening boxes, right? This is the pouch. It's a leather baby pink pouch and it's transparent both sides, but I thought that it will be just the nail polishes, but no, they have a bunch of stuff in here. So let's get started and we're gonna try everything that is inside. And let me tell you, when I saw this collection on Instagram, I was like screaming because I thought that it was like a really exciting and new idea, because nowadays the nail community, it's been a little bit boring and I wanted to find something different and innovative, and this is it. This caught my eye like right away. So first things first, I found here the first product is a MODELONES cuticle revitalizer. I'm sorry, my English is horrible, but revitalizer oil. Yes, I think it is like that. I always wanted one of these. This is like the cutest little pen. Let me see if it had a smell. No, it just smells like oils, but not bad though. And then we have here a sun mini lamp. Oh, it's so cute. Let's open it up. Oh my god, it's also pink. I love it. It comes with a cable and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's the cutest little thing ever. Look it, so pretty. And it has like 6 lights here. Oh no, my nails. I think you open the, oh, there you go. You open the little legs. Let me find something else besides my nails. Let's do this. I don't want to break it. Oh, it's a little bit hard to open. Be careful with that. Oh my. I don't want to break it. No. Ah, there we go. It's open. This is the button so you can turn it on and turn it off. I mean, it's really cute. It's light, it's portable, it's perfect to travel, or you can put everything in here in that little pouch and look really stylish. And obviously the instructions, which we don't need because I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to pull this out, and it's a little pamphlet. I should like open it this first, but okay. So here is like, this is the gel application and the gel remove. So you have pictures in here, which is awesome. It's easier for you if you're a beginner, and how to remove it. So that's genius. Ooh, and we have here all the list that shows you everything that is in the little pouch, and then how to prep the actual natural nail to put them on. Okay, next we have a little brush so we can get rid of all the dust that is really annoying and everywhere. It came with 2 mini files. Look at this cutie. I love it. I think it is 100 and 150 grit. And then we have like a spongy to finish the prep of the nail. It's so cute. Also, we have some decals here with butterflies and little rings. They look like studs. We have the cuticle pusher, which is plastic. I never had a plastic before. I had the wooden stick and the metal one, but this one is plastic. I don't know if it's gonna be a difference. Maybe it's more comfortable on the skin or something. Yeah, it is. And lastly, it's the most exciting part of the video. Let's open this up and pull them out. We have this one, which is the silver it is the base coat, and then this one, which is the golden top, will be your top coat. I love the matte finish on them. But look, they actually look like lipsticks. They feel so soft. They feel like velvet. I love that they have the info on the back, because there's some nail polish that they don't and you don't know about it, but this does. So the info is really important to me. Okay, my lamp is already plugged in, and I'm going to show you each color, and I'm going to start with the lightest one. One thing that I really love about these bottles is that they are the color of the actual polish, because there's like some nail polishes, they are like this, for example, like completely black or completely white, and they don't show the color that you are using, or they don't have it on top, and it's really difficult for you to see. But this is no problem at all. This is not the case, because every single bottle is the color of the polish. I think it looks really stylish and pretty and sleek. Love that. So we're gonna start with the lightest color here, and we're gonna use a little lamp to test it out. Right at the back I can see that is good coverage. It's like medium coverage, maybe because it's the lightest color on the collection. I was doing the swatches, I just noticed that every bottle has a number, so I believe that is the color, because I was looking for the names of the colors, but there's no names, but there's numbers in here. So here they are, the 6 stunning colors that the lipstick collection has for you. By the way, this is the pink lipstick collection. They have other 2, I believe, that is the purple and the blue. Both of those collections are so pretty. Go to the Instagram so you can check those out. They're really beautiful. Speaking of Instagram, let's do a really trendy design with these colors. I'm going to start prepping my nails. So pretty much I push down the cuticle, and then I'm going to take the little cute file, and I'm just going to file with the 150 grit. And this, I'm gonna do it all over the nail. Okay, once I finish, I'm just going to dust off all the powder, and then I'm just gonna wipe all the nails with a little bit of alcohol. Or you can wash your hands if you want to, which is gonna be the best option, because you're gonna get rid of all the dust, not just on your nails, but all over your hands. I'm going to start with the MODELONES base coat, which is the silver top. I'm going to apply a thin layer of this one and cure under the mini lamp for 30, and just remember that everything is going to link down below in the description box. Alrighty, and now for my base, I'm going to use this one that is the number 12. And now here in my little plate, I put the number 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to take my brush, a liner brush, really long, and load it up with the number 10, which is the lightest one. And we're gonna start to do this trendy and not going anywhere waves, lines. They're like all over the place with a lot of colors and a lot of combos, and I really like it. It looks really cool. So there's no pattern or anything like that. That's the cool thing about it. You don't need to be a pro to do this and make it look cute. Okie dokie, now that they're cured, I'm going to take the next color, but don't forget to clean your brush in between colors so you don't make a mess or mix all the shades. So I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing, just under each line. Okay, my dolls, everything is dry and looking really beautiful. I love this design. I can't get over it. I'm gonna do it for the rest of the year with different colors. I can see myself doing it. It is so pretty. Now I'm going to take the Modelones top coat. Okie dokie, you guys. Well, this is the end result. I'm just going to use now the Modelones cuticle oil to get rid of that really dry patches that I have around my fingernails. And that is pretty much it. What do you guys think about this collection and this design? I totally in love with this collection. I think it's genius, it's innovative, and you know what, it could be a really good present if you have like a birthday coming up or something like that, or you can just be ready for Christmas like right now. All right, you dolls, well, this is the entire collection, the lipstick collection from the brand Modelones. I hope you guys like it and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to check out the information box below so you can get all this collection, and go to the website and follow them on Instagram. And also my information is gonna be down below. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you Modelones for this beautiful collection. You guys nailed it. I really wish that in the future you guys came out with the nude collection, the lipstick collection. That will be awesome with nudes and browns. Ugh, it's gonna be gorgeous for this winter. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. I see you guys on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah!